we have 9 cubed times 81 squared divided by 3 to the negative 2 equals 27 to the x power. And the goal here is to find x. Give it a shot on your own by hitting the pause button, and we'll do it together in a second. All right, let's do it together. So the goal here, obviously, every number 9, 27, right, 81, 3, all those numbers, they have the same base, which is 3, right? Because 9 is like 3 squared, 27 is 3 cubed, right? 81 is 3 to the 4th, and 3 is, 3 to the 1. Okay, so all these numbers are a base of 3. So to get them, to figure out x, we need to simplify everything in the base of 3. So let's start with the 9. 9 is like 3 squared, right? And we had 9 cubed, so 3 squared cubed. 81, we're up here at 81. 81, we said it right, is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, or 3 to the 4th. So we have 81 is 3 to the 4th, and we wanted 81 squared. So 3 to the 4th squared over 3 to the negative 2 equals 27 to the x. 27 is like 3 cubed, because it's 3 times 3 times 3. So that was 3 cubed to the x. And at this point, what we do is we multiply each of these. So we multiply the 3 squared cubed, we multiply the 2 and the 3, so we get 3 to the 6. And then over here, we multiply the 4 and the 2, 3 to the 4th squared, so that's 4 times 2 is 3 to the 8th, right? And then on the bottom, we had 3 to the negative 2, and all of this equals 3 cubed to the x. We multiply 3 and x, we get 3 to the 3x. We add the 6 and 8, so we would get 3 to the 14 over 3 to the negative 2 equals 3 to the 3x. And then the next step is, what do we do with this 14 and negative 2? When you have dividing, you would subtract the exponent. So you'd have 14 minus negative 2. So 14 minus negative 2 is like 14 plus 2, so it's 16. So we would have 3 to the 16 equals 3 to the 3x. And at this point, when the bases are the same, 3 to the 16 equals 3 to the 3x, we could just set the exponents equal to each other. So we go 16 equals 3 to the x. And then at that point, right, we just divide each side by 3. We get x equals 16 divided by 3. Boom, that's the answer. Do this equation right here. Do it right away, and you're going to get better at these. You're going to ace this. Keep it going.